Hi, this is Gail of 876 Arguments, and today I am coming from the magnificent Cloisters Museum. Look at the ceiling. It is summer and the museum lovers are out. This is why I'm speaking so low. People are not loud, they're not boisterous. Everybody's just walking around and enjoying the serenity and the beauty of the art. And my video today is about birthright citizenship. What is birthright citizenship? Birthright citizenship is when you are a citizen by virtue of being born in a specific place. So many of us Jamaicans know that if you come to the US, even on vacation, if you have a child in the US, the child is automatically a US citizen, and they have not changed that law as yet. There was a time when in the UK, you could become a citizen because you were born in the UK. However, it's been many years now since they changed that law. So you are the citizenship that your mother is. My friend had a child in the UK some years ago, many years ago now. He's, I think, 20 years old now. And at first, he was not going to be getting UK citizenship because she was Jamaican, but they worked it out and he became a UK citizen. There are many countries in the world that do not allow birthright citizenship. There are Jamaicans in many countries around the world who have gone there for work and have kids there, but the kids are not automatically citizens. And so what do? You apply for Jamaican citizenship and get your child a Jamaican passport when you're ready to bring your child home. I am Gail. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.